Hello and welcome back for another grammar mini lesson. Today we're going to be talking about adverbial subordinate clauses. Adverbial subordinate clauses are subordinate clauses that have an adverbial function. They are often introduced by subordinators such as soon as, before, and when. They answer the questions of how, when, and why in a sentence. Let's see if we can find the adverbial subordinate clauses in these example sentences. First, we have this sentence. She called him after she had finished her dinner. So if we can remember from the previous slide, adverbial subordinate clauses answer questions such as how, when, or why. So we have a subject of she called him. This doesn't really answer how or why, or we need to know how she called him or why she called him or when she called him. We can see this phrase here, after she had finished her dinner, answers the question of when. When did she call him? This helps us know that this is our adverbial subordinate clause. Let's look at another example. We'll go on Tuesday in order to avoid the Thanksgiving traffic. We have we'll go on Tuesday. We have a subject followed by a verb. Tells us on Tuesday. Why are we going to go on Tuesday? In order to avoid the Thanksgiving traffic. This helps us know that this is our adverbial subordinate clause because it answers the question of why we're going on Tuesday. Adverbial subordinate clauses help clarify what is happening in a sentence. Now let's take some time for you to try these next couple on your own. All right, let's go over the answers together. This sentence says, I will go see him after I have registered. We have I as a subject, will go see him. We know that the main clause of the sentence is I will go see him. We could end the sentence right after here. So we have this next clause here that says after I have registered, that helps clarify when the speaker is going to go see him. So we have a main clause here of I will go see him, followed by an adverbial subordinate clause after I have registered. Let's look at this next example. When visiting Washington, be sure to make a stop at the Library of Congress. We have this clause here, be sure to make a stop at the Library of Congress. This could be a sentence on its own. It's an independent clause, making it the main clause of our sentence. Here we have a dependent clause, when visiting Washington, that serves as our adverbial subordinate clause because it tells us when we should be sure to make a stop at the Library of Congress. As you can see, adverbial subordinate clauses can come at the beginning of a sentence or in the second part of a sentence. Let's review. Adverbial subordinate clauses are subordinate clauses that have an adverbial function. They are often introduced by subordinators such as soon as, before, and when. They answer questions such as how, why, when, or where. You all did some very excellent work on adverbial subordinate clauses today. I look forward to working with you all in the next grammar mini lesson.